Hello guys, this is XL Rummy. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up a server, Minecraft server 1.4.5 or any version below or up, because it should be the same, but you'll need a different jar for that, but that's beside the point. To get started, go to Google Chrome or whatever internet browser you have, Firefox, whatever that may be. Internet Explorer. Then type in Minecraft.net. Mine is, wow, I failed. Right there. Now, before we get started, you're going to need to have Java 6 or 7 installed on your computer before you can run a server. Now, if you have 64-bit, make sure you get 64-bit, and 32-bit, make sure you get 32-bit. Because if you're trying to run with more RAM and you have a 64-bit computer and you get 32-bit, it won't work. Anyways, go to download, and then you're going to want to get Minecraft_server.exe. Click on that and it should download in the corner. So you can't see mine. It's right there. See, you go. Now we are gonna X out about it. Now drag it anywhere you want. Any folder. I'm gonna create a new folder and name it server, or server 2 actually, since I already have one on my other screen hidden away. And then we're gonna put that in there, but there we are. Let me move the folder over here. There we are. The second thing you're gonna want to get will be, well, actually, you're gonna want to run it. Now, not sure you have to run an admin on any other software, but for this you have to run it just normally, and you'll see these errors. Those aren't important. It's just they're generating the files. But that's beside the point. It'll generate the spawn, the world spawn for the world area, same thing. And once you're done with, once it opens, click or type save all, and then stop. And let it stop real quick. It'll close on its own. And then you should have these files. Now the properties files is for like how if you want to run it publicly or run it for your friends, you're gonna need to set up the port and stuff. See right here? You're gonna need to have it port forward, but I'll be typing that in the next video about how to port forward. But here to get the server IP, you're gonna want to go to CMD. Let me move that over. CMD, enter, and then type in ipconfig. Exactly how it's right there, and then IPv4 address. That's the IP you want to put in server IP. 192.168.1.2. Wow, failure. That's how, and then you're gonna want to port forward to 25565. But I'll teach you how to do that in a future episode or a video, whatever you want to call it. You can change to any other port you already have forwarded, but these are the settings for the server also. Like allow flight, same thing. Not same thing. For flight, if you want to allow people to fly around, you're going to allow true. But like if it's against the rule, if you're doing a public server, you want to type false, obviously. Here's the world name, the name of the world that gets generated, and then Nether, you can allow that and generate settings. I'm not exactly sure what that is for. Difficulty, I think 1 is normal, 2 is hard, and 0 is peaceful. Game mode 0 survival, and 1 is creative, and PvP true. You can kill people and stuff. And online mode, it means like if you have a cracked client. I don't really support cracked clients in my opinion, but that's to support a lot of cracked clients on your server, and the small monsters. That's obviously that's a ditto. And then generate structures. That's the NPCs towns and stuff like dungeons and towns. Yeah, that's it. MOTD, I think message of the day that is, and obviously mine's a Minecraft server because I'm not going to be running this because I already run it. I have a server running somewhere on this. But anyways, that's it for this tutorial. I'll be teaching how to put forward in a future video. Now, before we go, I'll be starting my survival series in a few, or I mean, in a day. Yeah, a day. That's it. Alright, guys, this is XL Rummy.